Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Culinary Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to elevate your potato game to gourmet status with a recipe that's perfect for impressing guests or treating yourself. Whether you're hosting a fancy dinner party or just want to indulge in something special, this dish is sure to wow everyone. We're talking smashed potatoes with crème fraîche and roe. This combination of textures and flavors is simply divine. So, let's dive right in. Gather all your ingredients and get ready to create something truly special. First, you'll need some baby potatoes. These little gems are perfect for this recipe because they cook quickly and have a wonderful texture. Give them a good wash to remove any dirt, and then boil them in salted water for about 15 minutes, or until they're tender. The salt in the water helps to season the potatoes from the inside out. Once they're done, drain and let them cool slightly. This cooling step is important because it makes them easier to handle when we smash them. This is where the magic happens, folks. Get ready to transform these humble potatoes into a gourmet delight. Place the potatoes on a baking sheet and gently smash each one with a fork. This creates more surface area, which means more crispy edges. Don't go too crazy now. We want them flattened but still intact. The goal is to create a rustic look while keeping the potatoes together. Next, drizzle some olive oil over the smashed potatoes and sprinkle a bit of sea salt and fresh ground black pepper. The olive oil will help them get nice and crispy in the oven. Into a preheated oven they go at 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. This high heat will give them that perfect golden brown color and irresistible crunch. You want them golden and crispy. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. While the potatoes are getting their tan on, let's prepare the toppings. This is where we add layers of flavor and freshness. Grab some fresh chives and give them a fine chop. Chives add a mild onion flavor and a pop of color to our dish. Now take some crème fraîche and place it in a bowl. This creamy, tangy ingredient is going to complement the crispy potatoes perfectly. Add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon juice, and those chopped chives. The lemon juice adds a bit of brightness and acidity. Give it a good mix. You want all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Once the potatoes are out of the oven, let them cool for just a minute. We're almost there. This brief cooling period ensures that the crème fraîche doesn't melt too quickly. Dollop a generous spoonful of our chive crème fraîche onto each potato. Be generous. You want each bite to be creamy and delicious. Now comes the piece de resistance, the roe. This luxurious ingredient adds a burst of briny flavor and a touch of elegance. Carefully spoon a bit of roe on top of each dollop of crème fraîche. The contrast of colors and textures is simply stunning. It's like adding little jewels to your dish. Each bite is a delightful combination of crispy, creamy, and briny. And there you have it. Gourmet smashed potatoes with crème fraîche and roe. This dish is not only delicious but also visually impressive. The crispy potatoes, the creamy tang of the crème fraîche, and the burst of briny goodness from the roe make this an absolute flavor-packed delight. Each element works together to create a harmonious and unforgettable taste experience. Perfect for any occasion, be it a fancy dinner party or a lazy weekend treat. This dish is versatile and always a crowd pleaser. So go on, give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious creations. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Until next time, keep experimenting and enjoying the wonderful world of food.